Okay, let us now get into completing this question. We're now going to be looking at the income and expenditure account. So we're going to commence by starting to enter the data relating to the income. All right, so first of all, we're going to be going to the debit side of the receipt and payment account to identify all the revenues or income. With first item is the subscription. Now we can't just record this figure because we have a notation here that indicates a subscription owing. Yes, at December 2019 is $29. So what do we do? All right, let's put that in subscription, and the amount of money we have there was $37.90. We're going to add the amount owing, right, which is 29. And the 29 total now it's going to be 9. It's 9, yes, 11. Take that one over there to be 8, and so it's going to be 3,819. All right, so we have recorded the subscription, and remember the subscription is really the sometimes the main income to the institution, the civic society, or the club, or the union, etc. Our next income will be dance profit, so we're going to enter that. And that amount is $186. There's no adjustment to that. We have exhibition profit. And the exhibition profit is $112. All right. We just worked earlier the bar profit, and the bar profit is $736. So we've used this item, this one, and this one. We have a situation though where with the sale of an equipment, yes, so we're getting income from the sale of the equipment. So we're going to have sale of equipment. We're getting some money, and that is going to be 66. All right, okay, and so we can total this figure here, and that will give us a total income for the business. All right, so when we total all the income, we are getting a figure of 4,919. We are now going to be subtracting the expenses or the expenditure. Okay, and let's commence with that now. We go to the side of the payment side to identify those expenses that we had, and we're going to the cleaning. Now earlier we had indicated that the $650 were to be taken from the cleaning pay to be allocated or charged to the bar trading account. So we're going to subtract the $650 from the total of $17,676. All right, and the difference is to be allocated at the income and expenditure account. So we have cleaning pay, and we can do it here. It's 1776, and we can deduct, matter of fact, what would have been advisable is to have it done here. So it would have been what now? 1776. We're taking 650 from it. That is 6. That is 2. That's 1. So it would have been $1,126. That would be left to be charged to the income and expenditure account. We can take the rent now. Is there any adjustment? No. So let's go with rent. So the rent figure is this item, 886. And then we come to the matter relating to equipment. There's some depreciation right here. Right? They say that we're depreciating the equipment. Okay, we're depreciating equipment. And so we're going to write depreciation of equipment. All right, and that is this figure here, 27.9. All right. We're going to what now? Travel expense. And the travel expense is $673. All right. Okay. Now we would have treated with this item and this item subscription. We have treated this. So we have one here that we have not dealt with in relation to the question of the income and expenditure. And this comes right here. Right here. Now they have indicated to us that the equipment, yes, the equipment, we had sold an equipment that was original value was $77, and we sold it for $66. So we have a loss on the value, current value of it was $677, and we sold it for $66. So we have a loss on disposal. So the disposal loss on disposal, yes, is going to be $11. All right. So we take into account that we did not really make any profit from the sale, although we had an income, our cash coming in of $66. We have to take into account that at the time when we were selling it, the value of it was $77, and we sold it for $66. So we're losing $11. All right. So now we're going to add the expenses, and then we're going to subtract it from the total income. All right, let us do the math now and get on with it. Okay, so now having calculated the total expenses, we're coming up with a figure of $2,975. We're going to subtract the total expenses from the total revenue, and upon doing that, we should be getting an answer of $1,944, and that will be their surplus. Remember, in these type of accounting, we refer to profit as surplus, and deficit is referred to as, loss is referred to as deficit. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for sharing. We wanted you to get enough practice and to clarify any other misunderstanding that you have. Hence, this lesson was prepared for you to be able to understand the matters relating to accounts for non-profit organizations. So we have done the statement of affairs, which refers to the balance sheet, to find the opening capital or their equity. And we have done the bar trading account to determine the profit on the bar, from the bar, and then the income and expenditure account. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this lesson, please click below and like it. And please, we ask to also click this subscription button so that when we are uploading any new lesson, you'll be able to be notified. Thank you very much again. Have a good day.